Dear Kentucky 4-H.
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 I started out officially at 9 years old, but I was involved with the program from a much younger age, and it really inspired me to see all the fun and cool opportunities in 4-H.
Agriculture and 4-H were always kind of went hand in hand. I thought that that's what 4-H was all about, but since then I've had an opportunity to see how many more aspects of 4-H there are, whether that's leadership, communications, expressive arts, or all of the other core aspects of 4-H that I really never knew about.
Kentucky 4-H has given me a toolkit. It's given me everything that I've ever needed. I've realized that I can write a resume way easier than most people, and I can thank Kentucky 4-H for every single skill I have.
4-H has just really helped me want to just help other people and lend a helping hand when I can. It's so exciting just getting to see them excited about their projects or just all the different aspects of 4-H that they're involved in, and just getting to hear their stories in 4-H and how they got involved.
To have the opportunity to kind of represent 4-H on a statewide level, meet with people, and just share what 4-H is about has truly been a unique experience that I can't take for granted.
4-H has turned me into who I am, so it's hard to say that I'm leaving it behind because it really is a part of me at this point.
4-H has been my entire life, and it will be my entire life. Thank you, Kentucky 4-H.
Thank you, Kentucky 4-H.
Thank you, Kentucky 4-H.
Thank you, Kentucky 4-H.
Thank you, Kentucky 4-H.